Mobilemechanicinbaltimore.com. We can come to you.
I need a pre-inspection. I'm trying to purchase a used vehicle, and I'd like a mechanic to inspect it for me before I buy it.
Okay, are you doing this from Craigslist or is there a dealership?
It's at a dealership.
Okay, and so did you ever speak to the people at the dealer, and are they okay with someone prying around their vehicle?
Yes, they are. I told them that.
Mobilemechanicinbaltimore.com. We can come to you.
And I will do everything.
Now, I would prefer I would prefer to be there when you do it so I can know.
Of course. I want you to be there. That way I can communicate to you what issues there may be.
Right. How much longer do you think you're going to be under the car?
I could be here till 4 or 5 o'clock, and I'm in Baltimore City, so I don't know how.
Okay, because they close at 8.
Okay, we would be before 8.
Okay.
I definitely could, get done this and then help you out with that. And just so you know what you're getting from me, I will do everything to tell you what is the overall condition of the vehicle and if it will or will not pass state inspection, and if not, what components would need to be replaced or what work would need to be done.
Perfect.
Okay, and that's the main thing that you want. You just need to know that you can get tags on it and get it inspected, and then be good to go.
Mobilemechanicinbaltimore.com. We can come to you by giving us a call at 443-743-3001 for faster service.